Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, yo, what's up? So...
It's 8:30 p.m. and we're gonna start our vlog today.
Yes.
Little bit different than usual. We're gonna go where?
We will go to Canggu, and
Yes.
then today is quite special day because if you really like dancing, we will dance tonight.
Winnie will dance because I am the poor dancer. But Winnie wanna have a salsa tonight, so
Ooh.
stay
There'll
tuned.
be
Stay
so
tuned.
many cute chicks.
I hope so. Let's go. So we just arrived to the
Well, actually now we
Oldsman.
arrive in Canggu in Oldsman area, and behind us is the famous sandbar actually in Canggu.
But it's 9 o'clock already and it's closed.
Yeah, it's too dark. So well, actually this is actually around 9, and then yeah. So this sandbar actually closed. They only open for sunset time. That we plan to go to Old Man's to have a dinner, quite late dinner actually.
Oh, very late actually for me. But I will have a lovely burger. They have a lovely burgers, and you're gonna have a salsa dance. So we will see. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot bring my big camera to Oldsman, so will be shots from the phone. Sorry for the quality, if so. And yeah, let's go.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé. Mejor de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Serías para mis poesías. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades, pero sincero, verdadero, baby. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en canciones, esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme.
Alright, so I already finished our dinner. We already finished dance.
How was your dancing, honey?
Oh my god, I feel like a little bit exercise on the night. You see how I dance?
Are you happy?
This is a monkey dance, you know?
Monkey salsa dance.
So, alright, I'm so happy today that finally I can feel the vibe of dancing, and yeah.
We just walking on the street. Winnie is already after the dungeon, and this is the center of Canggu, as you can see.
Yeah, so nowadays Canggu is much more busier.
Yeah,
Look at
definitely much more busier.
Much more busier because of some people, foreigners already come to Indonesia. Actually,
Yeah,
as you see,
exactly.
they are using business visas.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we were used to talk a few vlogs ago. And generally, these places, the restaurants, bars, they are packed with the white people like me, for example.
Yeah, as you see that in the old man before, like quite many people actually, you know, like normally this place only few. But yeah, as you see in the video, they are, just enjoying life and everything. So many people already coming to Bali, so getting busy, yeah?
Yeah, I just wanna say it's definitely much more people now than few months ago. Because remember our back vlogs from July, June, August was very empty, it was dark.
Very quiet.
It was just literally dark. It's 10:30 p.m. and it's still bright. It's so many restaurants still open. You can hear the music somewhere. Of course, the people driving bikes. So it's definitely much more alive. Canggu is definitely much more alive now. Right, honey?
Yes, true.
Okay, let's cross the road.
Wow, I can feel like the vibes, Canggu vibes is already alive again.
Yes, it's really alive. So that's so happy with that.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today about Canggu at night. As you see, quite many youngsters going to Canggu. You know why it's famous for youngsters? Because cheap foods and many places to hang out, dance, party, you know.
That's the place for
Yes.
Canggu is famous for,
Yes,
by
Canggu
the way.
hipsters. You know that. Alright, Canggu youngsters place, what is it? The famous place. Okay, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.